Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy June 2020 spoilers. So this is going to be a Ipsy Glam Bag reveal video, which I never do, plus spoilers from top secret brands. Well, actually it's just one, I think, but I don't know, I felt like getting my investigative goggles on, you guys get your investigative goggles on, and we try and figure out together what you think this brand is going to be and for what bag or box it will be coming in. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know, I feel, well, obviously not again because I didn't say it already in this video, but I've said it in a past video that I'm filming today that I'm just in a very talkative mood. I am like deprived on socialization. So we're just making an extra video today so I can just talk, because I need to talk. I need to talk, and just, you know. Anyways, so if you guys are enjoying spoilers from your friendly neighborhood spoiler girl, then give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and like I've said time and time again, over half of my viewers are not even subscribed to me, which really breaks my heart. I don't understand why I'm not good enough for you guys to subscribe when you're watching my videos nonstop, but that's okay. It's okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. So, the very first bag I'm going to spoil for you guys. Actually, let me just say, all of these bags are so cute that I want them all. Like, I would actually use these as like a travel bag or like your summer bag where you need to take it somewhere and have your like sunglasses inside and your SPF and your sunscreen. I don't know. These are just so cute. Like, these are the cutest bags I've seen from Ipsy in a very long time. Like, these are so freaking cute. Okay, let's go ahead. Number one, the regular $12 glam bag. So here it is. So cute. This freaking yellow color, blue little tassel, all of the little people just laying there enjoying themselves. I don't know, this bag is so freaking adorable. Let me know if you guys also think that this bag is freaking adorable. Let me know. And now the plus bag, which looks pretty much identical to the other one. I'm not sure if it's gonna be bigger. It doesn't really look like it's gonna be any bigger, but it has a nice minty teal background, and it looks to be the exact same people on it, like the exact same, except for just printed on a different bag with a different background color. And the zipper this time is the yellow color from the previous bag, and then the tassel is also yellow, which I still think this one is so freaking cute. And then we have the ultimate bag, which is a more of a sky blue, very pretty, with the tassel of the previous bag color. And again, the print's the same, but it's just so stinking cute. Like, I would want the big bag just as like a beach bag or something like that you would put like your accessories in that you don't want to lose, like say at the beach or when you're on vacation, or say you're at the zoo with your children. This could be like a stroller bag, anything like that. I just think that these are cute, okay? They're all so cute. God, I love it. Okay, anyways, so this says top secret brand, and this is on the Ipsy page, so I'm not sure what it is, but it's a June glam bag sneak peek, so I assume it's probably just for the $12 glam bag. So it looks to be a lip liner, but if it's so top secret, it's probably going to be like maybe Huda Beauty, it could be a MAC, it could be pretty much anything, honestly. Is it exciting? No, but again, top secret. So we're trying to figure out what brand this is kind of interesting. So what do you guys think the brand will be of this lip pencil? Let me know down below. Again, I don't know if it's like, you know, they're doing that like top secret brand, it has to be something good, like Huda Beauty or MAC or something like that, not just like your like average filler product from a brand we've never heard of before that you can easily get purchased off of Alibaba. So let me know down below. Are we excited for it? I don't know. Which lip pencils can be the price of the glam bag, so you could get basically like you're paying for the lip pencil and getting the other products for free. And of course, it'll probably be a full size because, you know, they usually are. But let me know down below what you are thinking. That is it for this video. It's just short, sweet, and to the point, and just for me to talk and have something else to do, like edit another video, because I've been so bored lately and I just want to talk. So yeah, that's it. Let me know down below. Are you excited? Do you love the bags? And I will see you in my next video. Bye!